Looking for a ring terminal that handles heavy-duty power wiring without compromise? The Pro-style ring terminal for 8-gauge power wire offers exactly that. Designed to fit 1/0 gauge inputs with a 5/16 ring, it ensures a secure, professional connection every time. Plus, it's built to resist corrosion with Shock-Krome plating for long-lasting durability. When I first tried this connector, I was impressed by how effortlessly it handled my 1/0 gauge wire. Connecting 2 runs of wire to my capacitor became a breeze, and the clean, sharp look of the terminal added a polished touch to my setup. The quality is unmistakable, heavy-duty, well-made, and designed to improve not only power delivery but also the overall appearance of your wiring project. What really stands out is how this terminal combines function with style. It's not just about getting the job done, it's about doing it right. The corrosion resistance means you don't have to worry about wear and tear over time, and the precise fit ensures maximum conductivity. Customers across the United States have praised it for exactly meeting their needs, calling it reliable and sharp-looking, a clear sign of Stinger's commitment to quality. If you're upgrading your power connections, this ring terminal is worth a look. It's perfect for anyone who wants a dependable, clean, and professional finish. Whether you're working on a car audio system, marine wiring, or any high-power application, this terminal delivers the performance you expect and the durability you need. Try it when you're ready to make your wiring project both easier and more reliable. The Pro-style 8-gauge ring terminal isn't just another connector, it's what changes your installation from good to great.